Good morning, children. Now, in our previous video, we have discussed about unitary method. Now, we will talk about time and work. How to calculate or how to solve problems on time and work. For this, you have to keep two things in mind. For example, first thing, if a man completes his work in 5 days, if a man completes his work in 5 days, then how much work he is going to do in one day? In one day he is going to do 1 upon 5 of work. Okay, this is first thing. In 5 days he is completing his work, so how much work he is going to complete in one day? 1 by 5 of his work. Now second thing, another important thing is, if the work in one day that man does is given, whatever work he has done in one day, if that is given, then the total number of days required to complete the work, what is the formula for that? 1 upon 1 day's work. If they have already given you work of one day, suppose in one day man is doing 1 by 5 of his work. So how many days will be required to complete his work? How much day will be needed to complete all of his work? Your formula is this. According to this means 1 divide 1 upon 5. You can also write it down as 1 divide 1 upon 5. This divide will change to multiply. This will become, and this will become reciprocal. So it will be 1 multiplied by 5. Your answer will be 5 days. To take out his 1 day work, it will be 1 upon 5. When 1 day work is given and you have to find out the days, then it will be 1 divided by 1 day's work. Then you will be able to find out the number of days he worked. Now under this we have one more topic, that is pipes and cisterns. What are cisterns? Cisterns are called water tanks. Now these cisterns are water tanks that are connected with two pipes. One pipe that brings the water in the tank and another pipe connected which takes the water out of the tank. Outlet. This is inlet and this is outlet. So these are pipes and cisterns. Now same procedure is followed over here. Suppose if a pipe fills a tank in 5 hours, if the pipe is filling the tank in 5 hours, then how much the pipe is going to fill water in 1 hour? It will be 1 upon 5. Okay. Five hours and this is in 1 hour. Okay. In 1 hour, the pipe is going to fill 1 by 5th part. Got it? If the pipe is filling a tank in 5 hours, how much the pipe will be filling in 1 hour? In 1 hour it will be filling 1 upon 5th part. Okay. Similarly, if an outlet empties a tank in 10 hours, then in 1 hour, if this is emptying the tank in 10 hours, then in 1 hour it will empty 1 by 10th part of the tank. Okay. We can say that the work done by the outlet in 1 hour is minus 1 by 10. Why minus? Because it is taking the water out of the tank. This is filling the tank and this is taking the water out of the